Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Ponsonbay, and it is a snow globe. Comes with a little like card greeting user manual, the whole 9 yards. So that's pretty awesome. But let me open this. This is absolutely fantastic. My wife and daughter were absolutely, I guess, swooning is the correct word, over this. As long as I don't break the styrofoam. Turn this upside down. But this is pretty awesome. It comes really well packed. And it comes with a styrofoam crumbs. So it comes with a little USB plug. That is the port that you can plug this little USB piece in. So you can plug that to like a 5-volt block, like from like a cell phone, or like even your laptop if you wanted to have it sitting there on your desk. It does take batteries. So we put batteries in it yesterday. So it takes 3 alkaline I think it's AA. Yeah, 3 AA batteries. We like using the Amazon ones. So you basically put it there, and it has 2 different modes. I mean, look how you kind of closer view from the top. But the detail on this is fantastic. And it has like a little blower in there, and it just has those sprinkles go around. It's got a bunch of different Christmas songs. I'm sure you'll see in the description all the songs that it covers, but it is like really cool. And the studio lights just kind of like drown this out, but this actually, it lights up really well. And the song stops. So it even has different tonality with the song, but I mean, amazing. This is amazing. And it has some definite weight to it because it's obviously liquid filled. And then that was so on the bottom, it's got the other switch. So that's off. And then this is the other side. So basically, no music. It's just a light and kind of like the show. A little heavy to hang on your Christmas tree. I know that a lot of folks out there like to put snow globes and different things. This is definitely a little heavy to hang on your tree, unless you have like some special reinforced hooks and wire that you can put in there. But yeah, absolutely an exquisite looking piece. Absolutely, we love it already. We can't wait for Christmas. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.